In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload digital products on Etsy. Now, in order to begin uploading your digital products on Etsy, you must first have an Etsy sellers account. So go ahead and do that first if you haven't already. But once you have set it up, you should be able to go into the top right corner and see this option that says Shop Manager. And when we click on it, we can now see a load of options related to our Etsy shop. And since we're trying to upload a digital product, we're going to go over to where it says listings on the left hand side. And from there, we can actually go to the top right corner and click add a listing. So here's the page and where we can actually start setting up our listing. So since we're trying to upload a digital product, instead of choosing a physical item, we're going to choose a digital file. So for this example, I'm going to be listing an ebook which I made. So I'm going to do I did. And then when we go down to what is it? Since it is a book, we can choose it is a finished product. But of course, if you're uploading something which is more of a supply or tool, you want to choose that option. You also need to choose when you made it, but since it's a digital product, it's probably been made recently. So I'm just going to choose this option. And from here, we can click continue and we can start editing some details about our listing. So for this example, as I said, it's an ebook. So for the title, I'm just going to type something like ebook. Of course, you want to integrate some SEO into your listing to make sure it does actually rank high in the search results so that you can get a lot of sales. So I'm not going to cover how to do SEO in this video because it will take too long and I'm assuming some of you already know. But there are many tutorials online which you can learn from. So once we've done the title, we can go down to the photos and videos. And here you want to upload any photos that you have of this digital product. And of course, you want to make sure they are the most professional, best looking photos you can get. So I've just uploaded the photo here for the ebook. Since it's a digital product, we can probably get away with just having one photo. So now that we scroll down a bit, we can find the thumbnail. And this is basically just a cropped version of the photo we just uploaded. And this is what people will see when they are looking on Etsy. So we can adjust it from here if we like, we can zoom it in a bit, and we just want to make sure it does actually fit right and looks professional. So I'm just going to keep mine here in the middle, and then we can click done. So when we scroll down a bit more, we get down to this section that says digital files, and from here we basically just want to upload what we are selling. So for my example, I'm selling an ebook. So what I've been uploading here is the PDF of the ebook which I'm selling. But of course, if you're selling something like templates for some sort of website, you're going to have to upload that in here instead of a PDF. So this is basically the content which the customer will actually be buying off your store. From here, you want to put in a description, and this basically gives you a chance to explain your product and tell everyone exactly what it is. Now, for this section, you will also want to utilize SEO. Because if you put the correct keywords in, you can rank higher in the search results, meaning you will get more sales for your digital product. So next up, personalization. We don't need to collect personalized information for this listing, so I'm just going to ignore that bit. And now we get down to the price and inventory, so we can choose how much we want to price our digital product at, and we can also choose how many we have. Now, since we probably have unlimited stock, we can just choose $9.99 as that's the maximum. So now onto price, you're just going to choose a price which you think is fair for your product. And since I'm selling an ebook, I'm just going to do something like £10. But of course, if you're selling something which is of more value, you can put it higher if you want. But it's best to do some research to make sure that you are putting it at the right price. From here, we get down to details, and this will actually help customers find your product on the Etsy store. So you want to make sure to fill this in as accurately as possible. So since it's an ebook, I'm just going to type in ebook in the category. And you can choose whichever category is most relevant to what you're selling. So for the colours, we can just skip that because it's an ebook. But when we get down to tags, we want to add a maximum of 13 tags to help people find our products. So this is another part of the SEO which will help people find your listing. So the more relevant tags you put in here, the higher chance people have to find your product when searching for it. From here, you don't need to worry about delivery because it's an online product, it will get sent directly to them. And now for these last few options, we can pretty much leave them the same. But you might want to change renewal options depending if you wanted to automatically renew or not. Because as you can see here, it says each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. And it's going to cost 20 cents each time. So if you don't want to have to do it manually each time, go ahead and choose it automatic. From there, we can go ahead and click publish and it will then be published to our shop. It does warn you about the 20 cents fee for the new listing, but I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish. From there, it will start loading. And as you can see, when we refresh the page, we will now have that digital product added to our store. We can see it's selling for £10 and there's 999 in stock. So from here, people will be able to find our store and hopefully our listing when searching for it. And from there, if they find our digital product interesting, they can go ahead and purchase it and they will be automatically sent it via email so that they can start using your digital product straight away. So this has been my video showing you how to upload digital products to Etsy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.